Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. And today's video I'll be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Alright, so to cleanse my skin I use the Adobe black soap with the Clarisonic Mirror 2 rotating brush. I love this brush, guys. Like, if you don't have this in your skincare routine, I don't know what you're waiting for, but it is amazing. I recommend you guys to get it. And black soap helps my skin feel clean. Like, you get that really nice clean feeling without the dryness of that as well, but it's beautiful. So as I mentioned, guys, before, the brush that I'm using is a Clarisonic Mirror 2 rotating brush. This brush will be one of the best investments that you add to your skincare routine, guys, because it actually does the job. And I'm also using the Adobe black soap, which is made from the ashes of plantain skins, cocoa pods, and the shea tree bark. But it is amazing. Like, you really get that deep clean feeling, and combined with the brush as well, excellent results. So yeah, I just use the brush for 1 minute exactly, and I rinse my face with warm water. Also, try not to get this in your eyes, guys. It actually stings. So after rinsing my face, I do go ahead and pat my face with a clean face towel. And I try not to rub just because I don't want to add any harsh manipulation to my skincare routine. So I do go in with the Witch Hazel skin toner, and I usually use my little flat pads, but I ran out of those, so I just got some cotton balls that I normally just use for my nail polish, but they're still clean, so I use that and they do the job as well. And just rub that into your skin gently, pat that especially into your most troublesome areas. So going in with my The Ordinary lactic acid with 5% plus HA, I just massage that into my skin, and this serum acts as a mild peel or exfoliant, so it helps me just get rid of the dead skin cells on top of my skin. And it is recommended to use that at nighttime, just because if you just expose your skin to harsh sun rays, it may burn your skin and it may be damaging to your skin. So yeah, I just massage that in until you feel like it's sunken through your skin, like that. And now using my The Ordinary hyaluronic acid 2%, and this is literally one of my holy grail products in my skincare routine. It does provide my skin with so much moisture, which I love, and I can still feel in the morning. I massage that into my skin until it doesn't feel tacky, which shows that it's actually fully absorbed into your skin. Alright, so once that's all absorbed into my skin, I go in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, which also contains hyaluronic acid. I also add that into my hands and massage that into my face. And yeah, so this is usually the last point of my quick nighttime skincare routine. I just let that sink in, put some lip balm, and call it a night. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. See you guys.